How to remove pin on Windows 11. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can remove the lock screen pin on Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's just get into the video. In order to access your pin settings, you're going to have to go to settings menu. So head over to start menu and click on settings. So usually all of your settings related to pins and locks will be on your account section. So if you just head over to account, since your Microsoft account is connected to it, you're going to have to head over to sign in options, or you could just directly search for sign in options right here. Then you have all of the options like facial recognition, fingerprint, pin, and Windows security key. So click on the pin option. I only have an option to change the pin. The remove button is grayed out and I cannot click it. This is because here under additional settings, for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device. So if this settings is turned on, it will only allow the Windows Hellos for sign-in. So if you just turn this one off, you should be able to remove your pin. So just close out your settings again, go ahead and open it again. Then find accounts on the left side of your screen, go to sign in options. And now if you go to the security pin, you should be able to remove the pin like so. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.